children. Today we are going to do this short sound of A. Today we are going to do this short sound of A. As I told you yesterday, I've introduced already yesterday that today we are going to do the short sound of A. Okay, I've asked you to make puppets, isn't it yesterday? Did you make those puppets? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, puppets. Okay. You have to make those puppets and you have to show it to me. Okay. Then those A, E, I, O, U, as I said yesterday, they are called vowels. They are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Okay. I told you yesterday, as I told you, this A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. And yesterday, you know children, there was a slight mistake. I said yesterday in the video that in the class, I said that A, B, C, D, all the alphabet from A to Z, I said it's a consonant. It's called a consonant. Children, I just want to say sorry because there was a mistake, small mistake. It is not called a consonant. Okay. You know that in alphabet there are 26 letters. There are 26 letters. Okay. Out of 26, these A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are called vowels. These 5 letters are called vowels. Okay. And remaining 21 letters are called consonant. Not all these 26, but remaining 21 letters are called consonant. Okay. Children, please don't get confused. Because yesterday I said that 26 letters are called consonant. It's not 26 letters, only 21 letters. Okay, 5, this A, E, I, O, U, 5 are called vowels, and remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Okay, children, please don't get confused about that. Okay, consonant and vowels. So let us start today's lesson. Okay, today we are going to do short sound of A. Today we are going to do this short sound of A. As I told you, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are called vowels. So today we will do short sound of A. Only A we are going to do, sounding the letter A. Okay, first one by one we will give you the this one. We will do the lesson, okay? We will do the topic, okay? Today we are going to do short sound of A. Here is A, isn't it? So tomorrow E, I, O, then U. Like that we will be doing. So today we are going to do short sound of A only. S-H-O-R-T short, S-O-U-N the sound, O-F of A. This is short sound of A. Then what is the sound of A? How does it sound? How do you say A? Short sound of A is A. Yesterday I sang one song, isn't it? The vowel A says A. This is A. The vowel A says A. The sound of A is A. Okay, A. Sounds A. A-H, sound. The vowel sound of, the soft sound of A is A. It is a sound, it sounds A. Okay. Then the few words I have given you there. There are few words sounding the letter A. Okay, here is cat, C-A-T, cat, mat, bat, hat, rat, fat, can, man, fan, ran, van, map, car, tap, lap. These are the few words sounding the letter A. Did you see this word? Letters A? Children, see here? A. Everywhere A. In between. This is a short sound. Only 3 letters words were written. So here in between there is A. Because we are doing the short sound of A. Okay? These are the few words sounding the letter A. Here also, so that those words you have to learn the spelling, learn these words and write in your fair copy, in your English copy. Fair copy means in your English copy. You must write only in cursive writing. Do you know what is cursive writing, children? One example I will show you how to write. Okay, cursive writing means, suppose you are writing mat. Suppose you are writing a cat. When you write cat, C-A-T, cat. Joining. Okay? C-A-T, cat. Like this. Join the letters and write. All the letters. At the end, I'll show you how to write this joining letters. Okay, children? So, like this. You have to write this in your copy. Now, see, there is some matching also. You have to do some matching also. What is this, children? Can you see? This is rat. So where is rat? Here, M-A-T, mat. No. Jam. No. Here, R-A-T, rat. Join the lines. What is this? Mat. So join M-A-T, mat. Tap. T-A-P, tap. Jam. J-A-M, jam. Hat. H-A-T, hat. Bag. B-H, bag. Like this you have to match. Okay? Then short sound of A. Here you have to match. Okay, children? This you have to match in your copy. So what is this, children? This is a cat. Where is the cat? Where is it, cat? Cat? C-A-T, cat. Yes. C-A-T, cat. Like this. Okay? Then what is this? I think this is a jam. Isn't it? J-A-M, jam. Yeah. Join this jam. And ran back. What is this? What is this? This is and like this. Then bat. Where is this bat? Here, bat. And what is this? This is a van. V-A-N, van. Okay, children, like this you have to match. You have to see the pictures and read the words this side and you have to match it. Okay? Like this. Yeah. Then next is yes. A. Short sound of A. Short sound of A. Here are the few words. Okay? P-A-N, pan, B-A-G, bag, C-A-T, cat, M-A-N, man, B-A-T, bag, H-A-T, hat, P-A-T, pat, V-A-N, van, T-A-P, tap, F-N, fan, R-A-T, rat, M-A-T, mat, J-M, jam, M-A-P, mat, C-A-N, can, F-A-T, fat, H-A-M, ham, M-A-D, mad, H-A-D, hat, B-A-D, bad, P-A-D, pad, L-A-D, lad, R-A-G, rag, S-A-T, set, R-A-N. These are the words. These you have to learn. All these are short sound of A. Why I am saying short sound of A? You have these all the three letters words only. As I told you, these are the three letters words only. So everyone you say A, isn't it? A, everyone. So it's short sound of A. Only you have to use the letter A. Okay? Then. Okay, children. Let's start writing. First, you have to write the date here, today's date. You know where to write the date. And after that, on the first line, this is your first line. And this is your English copy, okay? This 4-line copy. And then you have to start writing. Short sound of A. Today, we are going to write short sound of A, okay? So, first you write S. S should be capital letter S, like this. Okay, then after that you have to join the letters and write the words. Capital letter S, then H. Please join the letters and see the line also as H O R T, short. This is short, okay? Please join the letters and You have to write all the letters separately. You should not touch the letters. Okay. Short sound. When you're writing sound, write small letter S here. Touch only 2 lines. Okay. Only 2 lines. The blue or black 2 lines. S O U N D sound. Short sound. See all the letters I have written separately. You should not touch the letters. Okay. Short sound of. O. Small letter O. Touch only 2 lines. O. Then F. When you're writing F, you have to touch all these 4 lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Okay. O, F, off. Short sound of. Then small letter A. Today we are going to write short sound of A. And underline this A, small letter A. Okay. Then the words. We are writing few words today. This is just practice only. Okay. Short sound of A. So you have to write A. You have to write the words sounding the letter A. Okay. We are writing short sound of A. So you have to write the words sounding the letter A. So let us write the simple word, that is C A T, cat. So here you can see A. This is a short sound of A. So C-A-T, cat. When you're writing C-A-T, cat, please join the letters and write. Don't forget to join the letters. Okay. Then next, cat. Then M, small letter. Okay. All small letters. You have to start from small letters. M, again, join A, T, mat. Here also A. Cat, mat. Then what else? Hat. H. See, H, A, T, hat. Here also join the letters and write hat. Cat, mat, hat, rat. R, A, T, rat. Here also short sound of A, rat. Then you can write B, A, G. G should come down. B, A, G, bag. Okay, then after that F, A, and fan. F. When you are writing F, touch the lines from red line up, down also red line you have to touch. Fan. Van. V, A, and van. A. Please underline this A. Then after van, J, J. J should come down. Okay. Then join A, M, jam. J, A, M, jam. Okay. Then Y, A, K, yak. Okay. These today we are going to write this many words, short sound of A. So I think you have understood this. Okay, children. So when you are writing this in your English copy, please see the line. Okay. First you see the line. When you are writing F, I said you have to touch 4 lines. Okay. Then when you are writing Y, J, G, they should come down. Okay. They should come down and touch the red line. And when you are writing these words, please join the letters and write. All the letters you have to join. Okay. Like, you should not write like this. C, A, here, T, here, cat. No, this is wrong. You should not write like this. You have to join, like, again I am showing you. C, then pull a tail, then A, then you write, then pull a tail again, join and write like this. Okay, C-A-T, cat. So this is short sound of A. Okay, short sound of A. Cat, mat, hat, rat, bag, fan, van, jam, and yak. These children, this is your homework. This you have to write in your English copy and you have to submit to me. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.